interrupt this program to bring you this important announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert. Levi's call, Georgia's Amber Alert. The Newton County Sheriff's Department and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a 2000 Honda Accord Black with Georgia tag RGK4146. On June 12th, Jakari Burnett, a black female, 1.5 years old, was abducted by Darian Javaris Burnett, a 38-year-old black male, 6'4", 180 pounds, and was last seen at 95 Chandler Field Drive, Covington, Georgia, and is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Jakari Burnett or the 2000 Honda Accord Black Georgia tag RGK4146, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the GBI tip line at 1-800-597-TIP and or the CMSN app for iPhone and Android users.
Parts and labor warranty. WSB Triple Team Traffic Alert.